manage your money? We're here to tell you about 5 important ways to do just that. The first way is making a money spending decision on what you decide to buy. Pretend your mom or dad gives you $10 and says you can use it to buy whatever you want at the store, such as candy, a book, or a toy. This is an example of how you spend money. The next way you can manage your money is by sharing it. For example, imagine that your family or classroom gets together to raise money to give to a charity. You get to help decide if the money goes to help homeless people find shelter, cleans up the environment, or takes care of sick animals. A third way to manage your money is by saving it. Here is an example. A family member gives you $20 for your birthday and says it is meant for you to save so you can use it in the future. So you put it away in your piggy bank. The next way is by earning it. For example, most adults have jobs to earn their money in exchange for their time, energy, and ideas. The last way you can manage your money is by growing it. For example, you can put your money into a savings account at a bank. When you grow up, you'll have even more decisions to make with your money. This is because you'll have more control over it. Just like the examples we talked about, making choices about money will always mean thinking about what's important to you and what you want to achieve. So it's important to remember to think carefully about your money choices and make decisions that match your goals and values.